Hello there. I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam store not loading or not working. So the first thing we're going to do is open up Steam. Once here in the top left, click Steam and then navigate to settings. From here, find the downloads section, click that and then scroll down until you see clear download cache and then clear the download cache. This will log you out of Steam, so make sure you know your login credentials before you do this. Once you're logged back in, another quick fix is in the top right next to your name there is big picture mode. So if you just click that, sometimes just coming into big picture mode and then exiting can fix your issue. So to exit, press escape, navigate to power, and then just click exit big picture mode. If that still hasn't fixed it, the final step is to fully close out of Steam and ensure it's closed down here. So right click and then click exit Steam. And now what we're going to do is open up the search and type in Steam, but right click it and then open a file location. And now we do the same again. So right click on Steam here, then click open file location. And then once we've got to this window, we right click it again, but we go to properties. Then we click the compatibility tab and then select run this program as administrator and then click apply. And once we log back in, hopefully one of these has fixed your issue. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.